Hi guys, this is Pilot Steve. Just want to let you know this is my last day in Europe. Been here for almost 80 days. We're in Malaga, Spain, and I'm heading back tomorrow. I'm going to do a lot of extra flight training when I get back because I'm sure I'm rusty. So I'm looking forward to taking you along with me and see what it takes to get the biannual flight review and an IPC done. And I also have a surprise for everyone when I get back, and I'll do a video and let you know what that is. So Pilot Steve signing off. See you in the U.S. Hi guys, once again Pilot Steve, and today we're going to unveil the surprise airplane. So here we go. Well, I was in Spain for 82 days. I bought this plane sight unseen, had it flown here, put in my hangar, and so let's hope it is what it is. Get doors open on these old hangars. There it is. See if you can guess what it is.